Okay, I'm going to show you how to get into MTMM. It's a keyboarding program that you'll use for a while. If you double click on MTM Microtype Media here, and then you can just click on this screen and it'll move past it faster, and click on that screen. Then you'll get a list that looks like this. You need to go to the class that your teacher said that you were going to be enrolled in. So if you're in CRT2, for instance, you'll click on that, or this is CTR, obviously somebody made a different one. Let's go CRT2, and then you click on New User, and then you're going to type in your name. This will appear on all your summary reports, so you want to make sure that you type in your real name, not Joe Schmo or whatever. So, and then your class ID. This is the one you want to make sure you type it the way that your teacher tells you to. Otherwise, you'll be enrolled in the wrong class. Okay. Then your password. Now that doesn't show up as dot. So what you should do is make sure that not everybody's watching you type in your password, and type in your password. And then click OK. So then you get a screen that looks like this, and these are different sections here. You'll go into the first category, you'll go into the green section here. And if you have a headset like me, then you'll get the sound along with it here. You'll go into the first lesson, and then it'll give you some ideas about how to get around and how to sit, posture, and all that. And I'm just going to go past this, but you'll listen to it. And it'll give you some beginning instructions. Okay, and then you'll go into, eventually it'll ask you to start typing here. This first lesson, it'll take you through some basic instruction here. So it's asking me to type these while it shows me here. Okay, then once you get through, these are the tabs that you'll go through. Go through them in order. Don't skip around. That's a big problem for some people. Let it take you through the lesson. It'll take you through and tell you when you're done. You'll go in, you'll learn enter, and it'll show you that. You'll learn the space. You'll practice home row. So let me show you what your summary report will look like after you get it done. You'll follow along. Now see, it won't let me go on right now because I'm typing K, so it'll make you do follow the right posture, the right hands on the right keys, or you will struggle later. Don't look at your hands, or it'll pay off in the long run. It'll be slower for some of you at first, but eventually it'll get faster. So you'll go through, this is all of lesson 1. You'll do a game. To do the game, what we'll look for in the summary reports is that you did attempt the game. You can tell. If your score is really, really low, then you were just doing and you can tell on a summary report that you didn't try. So, try the game and do all that. That's part of the lesson. Otherwise, you haven't completed the whole lesson. Okay, so right now here it says at the end of the lesson report, I'm not done because it doesn't give me a date completed because I didn't do all the lessons. Okay, again, go through them in order, and it'll ask you if you want to continue with lesson R1, which is the next one down. You do have to do that one also, and you go through these in order. If you go to reports and then go to summary report, it doesn't show I did a whole lot, right? Because I didn't. So on your summary report, it'll show you all the lesson that you did. It'll show your scores on your games and things like that. It needs to be complete. There can't be any blanks on there, or you haven't done that lesson to get credit for it. When you get ready to print a summary report, you'll go to File and Print, and your instructor will show you what printer to print to. And so that's basic. How you get around to, you'll click back on Home, start off with alphabetic, and then you go to the numeric keypad, which will teach you the keypad to the right. You have to have the numlock key on for it to work. And then you go into the Skill Builder lessons. In the Skill Builder, same thing. You go through each of the red tabs down here, and then you'll go on to the next lesson. These just build your speed.